Action!
Good morning.
Good morning. Say me. Can I help you?
Yes, we would like to go to the public park starting from Hotel Timero.
Oh, from here. Yes, okay. Well, we go straight on and take the first left. After, go along to Giardinazzo, and you arrive in front of Monte Tauro. Next to the Monte Tauro, there is the public park.
Okay, thanks. And we would like to go to Spisone.
For this, for that there is the terminal bus station.
How much is it?
It's nine euro per person.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Would you like to buy a souvenir?
Yes, that's a good idea. Where must we go?
You must go into the next room. There is Betty. She helps you. Goodbye.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.